Hello guys, it's Mickey. Welcome to my channel. And if you're just into my channel, please subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that to be notified each time there's an upload coming from me. So today we're going to be talking about talking oil. All right, we rebranded it. Before it used to be in a different container. I'll put it on the screen so you guys can see it. Now this is our talking oil. The price is also very cheap. It's actually cheap, yes. Now this is also mixed with a cream. It's not used directly on the body because it's an industrial product. And also you don't expect skin lightening with this. All right, this is strictly meant for people with melanin skin. All right, I'm not that fair. I want to maintain my caramel. I want a brightening skin, because we all know brightening, lightening and whitening are not the same. All right, the three of them are on different platforms. All right, so this one is actually meant for brightening, for people with dark skin, for people who actually want a caramel skin and they want their skin to have this boost. All right, so it's meant to be mixed together with a cream. So this is 100 ml. You can mix it with 150 or 200 ml of any body lotion of your choice. All right, so you don't have to wait for maybe you've mixed a body lotion. No, even for someone with a caramel skin, we don't advise you mixing, all right, your body lotion. No, because of your skin type and your skin tone. We don't want you altering your skin, since you said melanin is bay and we agree melanin is bay. Okay, so this is not going to alter your skin. It's just going to brighten your skin and give your skin a boost. Okay, so adding it into any cream of your choice. Now I know some of you are going to be asking, okay Mickey, which kind of cream can we add it to? Now there are so many creams in the market, mostly US cream. Now you can also mix it with your Nivea. Yeah, it can be mixed with Nivea. People who actually use Nivea, you can mix it with Nivea. You can mix it with CeraVe, even because this one doesn't contain any lightening additive at all. It doesn't. Okay, you can see how it looks, so transparent, no lightening additive whatsoever. It's just meant to brighten your skin. Okay, this is it. So I'm going to show you the old one and the new one. That's just how it is. So you don't add it, you don't apply it on the face. No, you don't apply it on the body directly. You just mix it together with a cream, any cream of your choice. Now you can say, oh, what if I get your caramel cream and I decide to mix it? You can go right ahead to do it. All right, you can decide to get our caramel body lotion and you can mix it together. It's all well and good, really nice. All right, some people who tend to use baby lotion, you can also mix it together with your baby lotion, because I know some grown-up women who actually use baby lotion as their main body lotion. So you can go right ahead and do it together with this. All right, just for melanin skin, all right, just for dark skin. No issue whatsoever with light skin. It doesn't have to do with light skin. All right, so I just said I should put that out there so you guys get to know our rebranded products. I'll take you my time to show you some of our new products. All right, so I'm gonna see you guys in my next YouTube video. Bye guys.